with expressionsvinyl.com, and today we are talking about Siser's Twinkle heat transfer vinyl. It's very similar to Siser's glitter heat transfer vinyl, with the exception that it has a smooth glittery finish with holographic flakes embedded into it, so it's not textured like your glitter heat transfer would be. Right, as you can see, the Twinkle has the smooth finish, still with the glittery flecks into it. And the glitter HTV has that rough texture to it that kind of almost looks like it's been poured onto the shirt. So there's a fun comparison between the two. Rough texture for glitter HTV and smooth for Twinkle HTV. Okay, so when it comes to heat transfer vinyl, there's 3 layers. You have your top clear carrier sheet that acts as kind of your heat resistant cover. And then you have your texture, or in this case your smooth finish, that is the finished look on your shirt. And then on the back, this is the side that you cut on, and this is the heat activated glue. So that's kind of a breakdown of the heat transfer and how to use it. When it comes to cutting, you'll want to remember to cut on the dull side and mirror your image. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and feed it into our machine. And just hold it up against the roller, line it up with your lines, and hit load. All right, so now that your image is finished cutting, you just unload it from your machine. And machines will vary from machine to machine, whether you're using a Silhouette or a Cricut. Be sure to check out our machine settings on the homepage of the website for Twinkle cut settings. So let's go ahead, and now that it's finished cutting, we're just going to weed out what we don't want. Okay, so once we have our image weeded out around our weeding box, we're just going to trim it out. You can use either an X-Acto knife or a box knife, or even scissors will work great. Okay, there we go. We've got our image all cut out and weeded out, and this is why you cut backwards, so that when you flip it over, your iron's gonna touch this clear carrier sheet, and so it's read the right way. All right, today we're gonna be working with an iron, just any at-home iron, and you're gonna want a good, solid, sturdy surface to work with. And you're just going to set up your clear carrier sheet. You can fold it over. It's kind of a quick tip. If you fold it over, it'll help you find the center of your shirt. So Twinkle heat transfer vinyl is 305 degrees for 15 seconds, but you do want to let it cool down for just a little bit before you peel that carrier sheet away, because it is a warm peel. So let's go ahead and get it pressed. And we recommend putting your iron about the middle setting, but every iron will vary. So since I don't have any exposed vinyl, I'm not gonna need a cover sheet because my clear carrier sheet acts as a cover sheet. So let's go ahead and press it. Okay, you're gonna wanna give it good firm pressure, but keep in mind when it comes to your iron to try and avoid the holes so you get even heat onto your shirt. All right, so just 15 seconds, good firm pressure. Okay, so once you've got your 15 seconds applied, don't go ahead and peel the carrier sheet. You want to let it cool down. You can just let it sit for a while, fan it off. You can even flip it over if you have a cold surface to speed it up just a little bit more. So let's give it just a second to cool down. Okay, so now that you've given your heat transfer just a couple seconds to cool down, go ahead and slowly peel up your carrier sheet. If any vinyl is kind of wanting to lift with the carrier sheet, just apply a few more seconds of pressure and heat. All right, and there you have it. Just a fun, simple design on a simple onesie with the Twinkle heat transfer vinyl. It does come in several different colors, and it's available in different sizes. So go and check out the fun colors that we offer. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. Give us a thumbs up and a like, and check out more of our fun projects that we have available on expressionsvinyl.com. Thanks, bye.